In a country often defined by its megacities like Lagos and Abuja, there exists a region quietly building, expanding, and redefining urban excellence. Welcome to Eastern Nigeria, a land of enterprise, resilience, and rapid transformation. Here, cities are not just growing, they are evolving into economic powerhouses, infrastructure hubs, and cultural capitals that rival many state capitals across Africa. From industrial giants to administrative centers, from commercial nerve hubs to emerging smart cities, these urban centers are rewriting the narrative. In this video, we explore 7 eastern cities that are not only shaping Nigeria's future, but are competing boldly with capitals across the continent. Once known primarily for coal, today Enugu stands as one of the most organized and livable cities in Nigeria. Enugu is not chaotic, it is structured, planned, intentional. The wide roads, serene neighborhoods, the clean layouts all point to a city designed for sustainability. But what really sets Enugu apart is its transformation. Modern road networks now connect major districts seamlessly. Drainage systems are being upgraded to tackle flooding. Urban renewal projects are reshaping the city's outlook. The Enugu International Conference Center, a symbol of prestige, is becoming a hub for global events. Real estate is booming, from independence layouts to new developments across the city. Investors are taking notice. And then there is security, one of the most important factors for any capital-level city. Enugu consistently ranks among the safest cities in Nigeria. When you compare Enugu to many African state capitals, it competes strongly in urban planning, livability, and governance. This is not just a city, this is a model. Awka was once underestimated, but today it is one of the fastest growing capital cities in Nigeria. What makes Awka unique is its intentional development strategy. Government buildings are expanding, road dualization projects are transforming mobility, flyovers and modern intersections are redefining traffic flow. But beyond infrastructure, Awka is becoming a center of innovation and education. Its proximity to major commercial hubs like Onitsha and Owerri gives it a strategic advantage. Real estate is exploding. New estates, modern homes, and commercial plazas are springing up rapidly. And then comes the vision. Awka is not just growing randomly, it is evolving into a modern administrative commercial hybrid city. Compared to many African capitals struggling with congestion and poor planning, Awka is building with the future in mind. Umuahia does not make noise, but make no mistake, it is evolving. As the capital of Abia State, Umuahia is undergoing steady transformation. Road networks are being upgraded, government infrastructure is expanding, urban planning is becoming more structured. What sets Umuahia apart is its strategic positioning. It connects Aba, Owerri, and other major commercial centers. This makes it a crucial administrative and logistical hub. Unlike overcrowded capitals, Umuahia offers space, order, and potential. investors are beginning to see what many overlooked. This city is a sleeping giant. In comparison with emerging African capitals, Umuahia stands out for its untapped potential and stability. Onitsha is not just a city, it is an economic force, home to one of the largest markets in West Africa. Onitsha drives trade at a scale few cities can match. Every day, billions of naira move through its market, from electronics to textiles, from imports to local goods. Onitsha is a supply chain powerhouse. But beyond commerce, the city is evolving. Road improvements are ongoing. Urban restructuring is being implemented. Flood control measures are being enhanced. And then there is a strategic location situated along the River Niger, acting as a gateway between regions. Compared to many African capitals, Onitsha surpasses them in economic activity alone. This is not just a city, it is a marketplace that never sleeps. If Onitsha is trade, Aba is production. Known as the Taiwan of Africa, Aba is where things are made: shoes, bags, garments, machinery, and everything. The Aba industrial ecosystem is unmatched. Local manufacturers produce goods that compete globally, and now the transformation has begun. Roads are being reconstructed, drainage systems are being rebuilt, electricity projects are improving power supply. The Area International Market, one of the largest in West Africa, is being modernized. What makes Aba extraordinary is its self-sustaining economy. Compared to many African capitals dependent on imports, Aba produces. This is a city of creators. Abakaliki is the surprise. Once seen as a quiet town, today it is one of the fastest transforming cities in eastern Nigeria. Massive road construction projects are reshaping the city. Flyovers and modern junctions are being developed. Urban renewal projects are changing the city's face. The rehabilitation of long abandoned structures, including high-rise buildings, signal a new era. Industrial development is taking roots, with new economic zones and agricultural processing centers. Abakaliki's strength lies in its rapid transformation. Compared to smaller African capitals, its pace of development is remarkable. This city is rising fast. Owerri is different. It doesn't just function as a city, it lives. Known widely as the entertainment capital of eastern Nigeria, Owerri thrives on hospitality, tourism, and nightlife. Hotels line the streets. Luxury lounges, resorts, and relaxation centers dominate the landscape. But beneath the lifestyle lies serious development. Road expansion and urban beautification projects have improved mobility. Drainage upgrades are addressing flooding challenges. The Assumpta flyover stands as a symbol of modern infrastructure. Owerri's layout makes it one of the easiest cities to navigate in Nigeria, and its appeal is unmatched. Compared to many African capitals, Owerri offers something rare, a balance between urban life and leisure. This is a city where business meets lifestyle. These 7 cities tell a powerful story of resilience, a story of vision, a story of transformation. From Enugu's structure to Awka's growth, to Owerri's lifestyle, to Umuahia's strategy, to Onitsha's commerce, to Aba's industry, to Abakaliki's rise. Eastern Nigeria is not waiting for recognition, it is building it. And as Africa continues to urbanize, these cities are positioning themselves not just as regional players, but as continental competitors. The question is no longer if they will rival African capitals. The question is how soon they will surpass them. As we come to the end of this journey, one thing becomes undeniably clear. Eastern Nigeria is no longer a region of potential. It is a region of performance. From the structured calm of Enugu to the rapid rise of Awka, from the vibrant lifestyle of Owerri to the quiet strategy unfolding in Umuahia, then comes the unstoppable commercial engine of Onitsha, the industrial backbone of Aba, and the fast-rising modern city of Abakaliki. These are not just cities, these are statements. They are proof that development is not limited to capitals like Abuja or mega cities like Lagos. They are proof that vision, enterprise, and determination can transform any region into a force to be reckoned with. But here is the deeper truth. What makes these cities truly powerful is not just the infrastructure, not just the roads, buildings, or flyovers. It is the people, the traders in Onitsha, the manufacturers in Aba, the entrepreneurs in Awka, the professionals in Enugu, the creatives in Owerri, the planners in Umuahia, and the builders in Abakaliki. Together, they form an ecosystem of growth that cannot be ignored. And this is just the beginning, because as investment increases, as infrastructure expands, and innovation takes root, these cities will not just rival African capitals, they will define the next phase of urban development in Africa. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these cities do you believe is the most developed right now? Which one has the biggest future potential? And which city surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's start a real conversation. If you are from any of these states, any of these cities, represent your home proudly. If you enjoyed this video and want some deep dive, powerful stories about development in Eastern Nigeria, like this video. It helps reach more people. Share this video and subscribe to the channel.